The upcoming week is the last few days for our local public officials to file for their candidacy. What qualities do you think our public officials can learn from beauty queens? I'll repeat. The upcoming week is the last few days for our local public officials to file for their candidacy. What qualities do you think our public officials can learn from beauty queens?
So determination has been one of my characteristics as a beauty queen. As a binibini, it is important to be determined of what you have and what you can do for the city. Because as what Mayor Val says in his 2024 SONA address, as we continue to strive and make Naga, it is important where a family can strive, where every child can dream, and where every citizen can share their pride. Thank you.
As a public servant, I believe those who are filing for candidacy should possess an attitude who has humility, accountability, and responsible. Because I believe as a candidate of elections or as a part of public, you should be responsible on your actions and be accountable on the things that you are doing. And you should always be humble, because I believe a good leader is a good follower, and I thank you.
Strength in resilience, power in progress. This has been a testament in our city of Naga that we have been resilient ever since, and amidst all the adversity that we have faced, we have remained stronger, and one Yusin, one Naga Hanon, we have strived as one. Thus, me as a beauty queen, if I'm given a chance to be crowned tonight, I bring myself my quality of being a resilient woman. As an example to everyone, the youth and the women, to remain strong amidst all the adversities, because we are limitless, and we are utterly grateful to our officials because you have instilled in us the service with the heart. Naga andam, Naga padayon. Thank you so much.
As a beauty queen myself, I do believe that I myself must have confidence and determination in facing the people. I must have the confidence in facing the crowd and in accepting each and everyone, because I believe that being a beauty queen is not only mean that we must have the brains and the beauty, but also the leadership, because we, the beauty queens, serve as what people must look up to, what the youth must look up to, and we must serve as the leader where they can see themselves in our position. And I believe this is one of the characteristics that those filing for candidacy must look for beauty queens. And also, I would like to highlight that this is my second time joining pageantry. So I would also like to highlight being acceptance to yourself, and being able to have a second chance in everything if you only trust yourself. Thank you.
Is to be empathetic. That is to put your shoes in the shoes of others and to be able to know what drive their needs and be able to address them. Second is a leader and a beauty queen who is competent, which means that you are responsible and accountable to your actions, and that everything that you do is for the best interest of your people. Third is a beauty queen and a leader who has a vision, and that is to always think for the betterment of not only yourself, but most importantly, the city you are in. The city of Naga is known as the industrial city of the South, and that is because we, the beauty queens and the leaders of the city, possess these qualities, which is empathy, vision, and